Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're diving into an important aspect of SEO that can significantly impact your website's visibility and ranking: link building. Stick around because understanding this concept is crucial for anyone looking to improve their website's authority and credibility. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is link building in SEO? Link building is the process of acquiring hyperlinks from other websites to your own. These hyperlinks, or backlinks, act as votes of confidence in the eyes of search engines, signaling that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Now, you might be wondering, why is link building so important? Well, here's the deal: search engines like Google consider backlinks as one of the key factors when determining the authority and relevance of a website. The more quality backlinks you have pointing to your site, the higher your chances of ranking well in search engine results pages, SERPs. Not all backlinks are created equal. Let's take a look at the different types of backlinks. 1. Natural backlinks. These are links that are naturally earned when other websites find your content valuable and decide to link to it. 2. Manual outreach backlinks. These are links acquired through intentional outreach efforts, such as reaching out to other website owners or bloggers in your niche. 3. Editorial backlinks. These are links that are included naturally within the content of another website, typically from high-authority sources. Now that we understand the importance of link building, let's discuss some best practices for building quality backlinks. 1. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality backlinks from authoritative sites than numerous low-quality backlinks from spammy or irrelevant sites. 2. Relevance matters. Aim to acquire backlinks from websites that are relevant to your industry or niche. Contextual relevance is key. 3. Diversify your link profile. Diversify your backlink profile by acquiring links from a variety of sources, including blogs, forums, directories, and social media platforms. And there you have it, a breakdown of link building in SEO. By implementing these strategies and focusing on quality backlinks, you can improve your website's authority, credibility, and ultimately, its ranking in search engine results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellows. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.